Hi guys, if your phone storage gets full quickly or your internet data is being used without you noticing, then this video is for you. Today I'll show you how to turn off media auto download in WhatsApp on Android. So basically what happens is WhatsApp automatically downloads photos, videos and other media from chats even when you don't need them. And this can fill up your storage and waste your mobile data. Now let's fix it. Open WhatsApp, tap on three dots in the top right corner and go to settings. Then tap on storage and data. Here you'll see three options when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, when roaming. Open each one by one and uncheck all media options like photos, videos, audios and documents. Then tap OK. That's it. Now WhatsApp will not automatically download any media. You can download only what you actually need. This will help you save storage space, save internet data and keep your gallery clean. So that's how you can easily turn off media auto download in WhatsApp. Hope this helps.